Can foods lower my cholesterol level? To eat a heart-healthy diet, do I need to just cut out foods, or can I add any foods into? And do those cholesterol drinks and butters actually work? In today's video, I will be sharing the 4 foods that I want you to include more of in your diet to help you manage your cholesterol levels. Hi everyone, welcome back to my series on how to use our diet to lower our cholesterol levels. My name is Didi and I'm an Irish-based registered dietitian working for my dietitian clinic called Dietitian. As always, if you like this video, please let me know by leaving a little positive comment and by liking this video, maybe subscribing and following my page. This helps me get the word out there to more people like you who are interested in evidence-based nutrition videos just like this. Now, in my 2 previous videos, I discussed what cholesterol is, helped us to get into the right mindset to start our heart-healthy diet, and I laid out the foundations to an evidence-based heart-healthy diet. In today's video, I am going to discuss the 4 particular foods that research is showing will have a real impact on lowering our cholesterol levels, sometimes by up to a 10% reduction. These foods were initially discussed in a diet called the Portfolio Diet and have now been updated also within the Heart UK's Ultimate Cholesterol Lowering Plan. So lots of evidence is out there to back up the benefits of including these foods in our diet more often. The first food group to consider are your plant sterols and stanol products. These work by reducing how much cholesterol we can actually absorb from our gut and limit our body's ability to recycle cholesterol. They have been found to be able to reduce your LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15% as long as they are taken in the right amount. You will need to eat between 1.5 to 3 grams of plant sterols or stanols daily, and often this amount can only be found in foods specifically fortified with sterols and stanols. Now, these foods can include your sterol and stanol fortified yogurts, mini drinks, juices or bars. The catch with these is that they work for as long as you take them. But once you stop taking them, your cholesterol levels are likely to increase again. However, they are a very well-researched way to bring your cholesterol levels down, and my clients have often found them pretty easy to include daily. One little tip is that there's no need to take any more than 3 grams of plant sterols or stanols, as this will not lower your cholesterol any further. And we do not recommend that you take these fortified products if you don't need to lower your cholesterol levels. So the second food group to consider including more of are nuts. Nuts are a fantastic source of heart-healthy vegetable protein, fiber, monounsaturated fats, and vitamin E. There are plenty of nuts to pick from, such as walnuts, peanuts, almonds, pistachios, and cashew nuts. And we recommend that you take approximately 30 grams a day, which is often about a handful. Nuts also make a great snack and taste yummy on your breakfast cereals and even in savory dishes. Next is that we recommend that you include plenty of foods that are high in soluble fiber. Great sources of soluble fiber include oats, barley, beans, lentils and other pulses, and fruit. Now, this type of fiber works by forming almost a gel in our gut. This gel then binds to the cholesterol and helps us to pass it out the other end without absorbing it. We recommend that you include 3 servings of these foods every day. Examples of a serving include about 30 grams of porridge oats, or 1 oat breakfast biscuit, or 3 oat cakes, or about 75 grams of pearl barley, which actually tastes amazing in salads. It's my new little salad hack. Again, really getting in those fruit and veg every day can also help to further increase how much soluble fiber we are eating. And lastly, we recommend to include 2 to 3 portions of foods containing soya protein every day. Soya proteins are no longer just that popular veggie or vegan option. More and more people are catching on to the great taste and health benefits of eating more soya foods, such as your tofu, soya drinks, edamame beans, and soya mince. Soya is a great source of vegetable protein, heart-healthy fats, and plenty of vitamins and minerals. And as we said, aim to include 2 to 3 portions of soya a day for a reduction of up to 10% in your cholesterol levels. A portion of soya could include a 200 ml glass of soya alternative to milk, a handful of soya beans as a snack or as a meal, a soya yogurt or dessert, or it could be about 100 grams of soya beans or mince to replace some of the meat in your meals, or 100 grams of tofu, which tastes delicious in stir fries or salads. I hope you found today's video useful. I know, right? Finally something we can add to our diet rather than reduce, right? Now, please don't hesitate to get in touch with a comment or a private message if you have any further questions at all on this topic. And I still have a few slots left in my one-to-one virtual clinic if you'd like to learn more about how these tips and several of my other heart healthy hacks can fit into your diet and lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!